Select the Rectangle tool. Create a rectangle that's 300 by 500 pixels. Disconnect the corner radius. Make the radius of the top two corners 150 pixels. Select the Move tool. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click on the shape and select Rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Move the shape like this. Select both the shape layers and merge them. If you want to resize the heart now, you can see that it doesn't stay in the correct shape. To fix that, select the Pen tool. Click on the Path Operations icon and select Merge Shape Components. Press Ctrl+T and rotate the heart 45 degrees. You can resize and move the heart now. And that's how you create a heart shape.